Hi all. In today's session, we will see how to stop and terminate EC2 instance. So if you are keeping your instance in running status in your AWS, so that is going to charge for you. So if you are keeping your instance for around 10 hours, so then 10 hours of your free time will be going to deducted. And if it's crossing the free limits, so you will get a surprise billing. So you will be landed into unnecessary billing. So the better practice is once you have completed your all the practice or your work, so it's better to stop the instance first and after that terminate the instance. So it's not good practice to keep the instance in a running state. So for that, let me go to my AWS account. So this is my AWS account, and so now let me go to my EC2 dashboard. So for that EC2, so this is EC2. So click it on here. So now it will be means you will be landed into EC2 dashboard. So if you look into this, so here I'm having one running instance and one instance is in stop mode, means it's terminated. And here I'm having 4 security groups and one value and one key pair. So these are the running instances, means running things in my AWS. So it's better to stop these things. So first, let me stop my EC2 instance. So for that, so only one EC2 instance is running for me. So let me click on this. Now, so the key, so here it is in running mode. So only one instance. So if I close this, so then also one instance is running for me. So only one instance. Now the instance name is EC2 demo1 and the ID is this one, and the instance status is in running mode, and the instance type is T2 micro, and no alarms are there, and the public IP is this one, and yes, this is about my instance. Now, so the key pair is this one. So one key pair is mapped with this one, this EC2 instance. That's why if you go to here, so one key pair is there. So what is a key pair? So if you look into this, the key which you have downloaded. So if you go to here, so this is your key. So which will have your security key to log into your EC2 instance through putting. So that is also there. So if you are interested, you can delete this, or if you want to use the same key pair for another EC2 instance, so keep it aside. So for me, for every time I want to create a new key pair, so that's why I want to delete this also. So before that, let me terminate my instance. So for that, so go to here. So this is my instance. First, stop the instance. So select the instance, and after that, so here you may have more than one instance. So which instance you want to stop? So select that one and go to instance status and then stop the instance. So it will take some time. So the instance is moving to stop status. So there is no running instances. So my instance got stopped. So now my instance is stopped, And now I need to terminate this instance. So for that, select the instance and terminate. So now the instance is setting down. Remember, once you terminated your instance, you can't restart. If you stop the instance, you can restart. But if you terminate the instance, you can't get it back. So that is a thing you need to remember. So now my instance is terminated. Now go to EC2 dashboard. So it's not yet refreshed. Let's see, my instance is terminated and 0 instances. So number of instances running are 0. Now I want to delete the key pair. So if you want to reuse the key pair for next instances also, then keep it as it is. But I don't want to use this. I want to create a new key pair. So that's why I want to delete. So click it on key pair and select and go to actions and delete. So here it will ask you to for confirmation. So here you need to type delete. Now, so the key pair got deleted. So it will take some time to refresh. So now see, the key pair is also deleted and number of instances also, running instances also 0. So there is no instances. So only terminated instances there. Again go to EC2 dashboard. Now here you are able to see 4 security groups. So whenever I created one EC2 instance, a security group is created. So for that, I want to delete those security groups also. So now default security group you will not be able to delete. So remaining security groups you can delete. Now at a time you can able to delete only one security group. Delete the security group, delete. Now select the second one and delete. Delete it. Now this is a default security group. So default one you will not be able to delete because it's a default one. So now if you look into this, so if I refresh again, see there is no running instances and there is no key pair and the security groups also I have deleted. So only one security group is there, which is default security group. So uh, I have removed everything. So now I am good with. So hope this video is helpful. So don't keep your EC2 instance in a running state. It's better practice to stop the instance and terminate. So once you terminate the instance, you can't restart. So please remember that. So thank you. Thanks for watching.